I don't care.
I'm shutting the door again. Cheyenne, you're not playing in the rain. Watch her come running out.
I'm gonna buy the big house in the back over there.
Yes, it's really raining.
How about this, Robin? I just buy that big house back there and remodel it, make it one great big house for all you people.
Okay.
That'll fit everybody.
As long as you don't hear thunder and you don't see lightning, you can play in it.
Well, let's look at it this way. It was what? 2, 4 apartments or something?
No, it was 2 apartments, 4 bedrooms up, 3 bedrooms down.
Well, there you go. Every kid gets his own room. You can take 2 bedrooms and make them one great big master bedroom. Put a jacuzzi in it.
Okay, if you would go in this, the front door, that's a 4A. Is that how you say that? 4A? Well, it splits. Steps go up and the hallway goes to the door. That one back there goes to the downstairs.
What's wrong?
No coat. You're gonna, it's like this is bathing suit weather. Why?
Because it's getting harder and...
No shoes. They'll get your shoes wet and then it won't be no good anymore.
Well, I can't.
Well, just stay off me because you're wet. Hi, you're not up back there.
I actually didn't get rained on.
Either go play or get in.
Oh, it ain't gonna last long. It's breaking up.
I'm gonna buy that back there, and I'm gonna buy the one all the way back. I'll buy both of these.
Greg says what we need to do is buy that one, tear that one down, and have a big ass yard. But that one back there has nothing in it. There's no toilets and tubs and cabinets and nothing.
That's what remodeling is for. You got the
It's
whole
an old house?
It's not that it's old. I even know who stole everything out of there. But nobody came and asked me and I'm not volunteering.
Oh.
One of those deals.
innocent bystander.